So here at Rich Technology Group, we receive many inquiries on a daily basis. However, the most frequent one we have encountered so far is how VoIP phone systems work. Maybe this is because of the hype VoIP has received over the past few years, or people just want to know a little bit more about the technical side of things. If you want to use VoIP services but are unsure how VoIP phone systems work, then you've come to the right place. My name is Prince Rich with Rich Technology Group, and in today's video, we're going to cover how VoIP phone systems work. But first, you're watching the #1 channel on all things business phone systems and internet service related advice and educational videos to help you make the best buying decisions, maybe even save yourself a little money along the way. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos once they release. So, what is VoIP? VoIP stands for Voice over Internet Protocol and is a digital way to communicate over the phone, computer, laptop, or any other supported devices. VoIP has reached a lot of popularity because of its immense number of features, low cost, and hundreds of benefits over traditional landline phone systems. Because it is an efficient, cost alternative to traditional phone systems and analog phone service, most of the business communication is now being done using this technology. So then, what is a VoIP phone system? A VoIP phone system works digitally over the internet to make and receive phone calls. The essential thing to note here is that it makes use of the internet for calling as compared to traditional calling, which uses old, outdated copper lines. This makes it possible to bypass the traditional phone network, avoid phone signal issues, and any possible regional cellular connectivity issues as well. Before we move on, be sure to follow me on Twitter where you can ask me any questions about business phone systems and internet services. All questions are welcome, and I love engaging with our viewers, so I hope to see you there. So for the purposes of this video, the most important question is, how do VoIP phone systems actually work? VoIP works by using the typical digital signal encoding and decoding techniques, which is a complete reflection of how our beloved internet works. Just like how data is sent over the internet from one place to another, VoIP phone systems work by converting your voice data into digital packets of information that are sent from the receiver's end and received at the destination. As a starting point, the connection is established between the two calling parties when the phone call is placed. The VoIP phone system then connects to the receiver's address and starts to work on the next steps. After making a secure connection, the VoIP phone system takes your voice data, which is an analog signal initially, and compresses it into a small digital packet or digital packets. These packets are then transmitted over the internet to the person you are calling. When the packets reach the other end, they are decompressed and converted back to analog signals into your voice data. This allows a person on the other end to hear your voice just as if you were using a traditional phone system. So that's just it. Simple, right? So now you're probably wondering, what equipment is needed for a VoIP phone system? If you're planning to use a VoIP phone system, there are a few things you'll need to have in place. First and foremost, you'll need a high-speed internet connection to make sure your calls are crystal clear, because no one wants to deal with lag or dropped calls. Second, you'll need either a VoIP phone or a computer with a microphone and speakers. Don't worry, you don't need to break the bank or have any fancy equipment. There are plenty of affordable options out there from brands like Poly, Cisco, Yealink, VTech, Snome, and many more. You can pick and choose whatever fits your budget and specific feature needs or requirements. Finally, you'll need a VoIP phone service provider that can actually make and receive calls. There are tons of VoIP service providers out there like RingCentral, Nextiva, and Vonage. Just be sure to carefully do your research and find out the one that works best for your feature requirements and specific price budget you may have in mind. And if you're still unsure, you can share your requirements with us and we can provide you with the best recommendations based on your needs. With these few essentials in place, you'll be good to go and making calls like a VoIP pro in no time. If you're watching this video and you'd like our assistance with figuring out which VoIP service provider on the market best fits your feature requirements and budget, contact us via the information below this video. We're paid by referring customers to the service providers, so our consulting service is 100% free, so you have nothing to lose. Do not forget to contact us first before contacting the service providers directly if you'd like our guidance and access to our special pricing. If you found this video helpful or informative, show us your support by hitting that like button right now. And remember, you're watching the #1 channel on all things business phone systems and internet service related advice and educational videos to help you make the best buying decisions, maybe even save yourself a little money along the way. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos once they release. As always, this is Prince Rich with Rich Technology Group, your go-to guy for the best deals on business phone and internet service in the United States. I'll catch you guys again in the next video.